Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG. Drive on your phone. First, it's important to understand that BeamNG. Drive is a PC-exclusive title designed for powerful computers. It demands substantial processing power and a dedicated graphics card to run smoothly. Unfortunately, current mobile devices, even the most advanced ones, simply do not possess the necessary hardware specifications to run this complex simulation natively. There is no official mobile version released by the developers. One of the most viable methods to experience BeamNG Drive on your phone is through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game directly from powerful remote servers to your device. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming, if BeamNG Drive is available on them, could be considered. Remember, a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, is absolutely crucial for a smooth, low-latency experience. You will also likely need a compatible Bluetooth controller. Another approach involves using remote desktop access. This method allows you to connect to your own personal computer at home, which is running BeamNG Drive, and stream its display to your phone. Applications such as Steam Link or TeamViewer are popular choices for setting up this kind of connection. Your home PC needs to be powered on and connected to the internet. Be aware that input lag and the overall visual quality can vary greatly depending on your network speed and PC performance. It's important to manage expectations regarding BeamNG Drive on mobile. Native play is simply not feasible with current mobile technology. Both cloud streaming and remote desktop solutions are heavily reliant on a robust and high-speed internet connection, which can introduce latency. Furthermore, using touchscreen controls for a game as intricate as BeamNG Drive is often less than ideal. For the best experience, a dedicated gaming PC remains the optimal platform for this title.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.